So in this video, I'll show you how to add slow animation to picture or to image in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now here is my image. I add the image into my timeline. So now select the image and go to animation. After I go to animation, so there is 3 category of animation in this option. So the first one is in animation, out animation, and combo. So for this video, I want to use the combo. So if you come to this combo, so the combo animation, if you apply it, it will apply to your image in the entire image from the start to the end of the image. So I'll scroll to down and choose, let's say this one. I'll scroll to down and choose the one that I want to use. There is different combo animation. So for me, I want to use this one, slide. So I'll just go ahead now and click on it. Click on the animation used automatically, apply it on your image. So as you can see now, here is the animation. So now if you want to like slow it down, if you want to slow it down, so you need to increase the length of the image. So I'll increase the length of the image like this. So I'll go back and click on this duration and change the duration to fit the entire image. So now here is now the combo animation. Now it's applied to the entire image and it's going slowly. And if you want to decrease the length, you can go ahead and decrease the length by applying the effect in this site. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.